What's up, guys? We're here for our 2 box of Splendor number 6. 1 second here. Alright, let me quickly show the teams and we're going to get this going. Teams. And the time is 9:12. Alright. Let's see, number 6. Number 6. There are the serial numbers. Paul Coffey, number to 10. For Pittsburgh. What is that, silver? Silver sticks. I'm not sure if that's real silver or not. But for Pittsburgh. Number to 10. Alright, one more box. Here we go. This is Ray Bourque. It's for Boston. Number 236. Real silver. That's nice. That's nice. Ray Bourque, number to 36 for Boston. Number to 10. And that's it for that break, guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's cool. So the gold ones are real gold? That's awesome. Alright, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support. As always, check out my other breaks, guys. There's the cup. There's a bunch of stuff posted. Try to get more for tomorrow. I would love to get another case for tomorrow. That would be awesome. I'll try my best, guys. I really will. Thank you very much.